egg experiment, you need an egg, a jar, and one of these.
Which is white vinegar.
Yep, white vinegar.
Okay.
Okay, my mom's going to pour vinegar in.
So we want to pour the vinegar in till it covers the top of the egg.
Yep. And it will look like milk.
Eventually it will.
Yeah, eventually.
So the vinegar is acid, and the eggshell is made of calcium. What it's going to do is that vinegar is going to eat away the eggshell.
And it's going to have bubbles blowing out, and it's going to look like the egg's farting.
It is, isn't it? Do you see the
Yeah.
bubbles? You want to hold it up close to the camera so everybody can see the bubbles? And it can take a few minutes for the bubbles to really get forming.
Mm-hmm.
And then over the next 24 to 48 hours, those bubbles are going to just keep forming as they eat away the egg. And we're going to see osmosis, where the egg takes in the vinegar.
Yep.
So we're going to check this in 24 hours, and then we're going to check a different egg in 48 hours, and we'll see what happens. We are taking your egg out 24 hours after we put it in. We're going to test and see. What do you notice about your egg?
It kind of looks like milk. And you can see like the little egg part.
The yolk inside of it?
The yolk.
Is it shell all gone?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, so the vinegar took all the shell away. The vinegar ate it. The acid in the vinegar ate the calcium in the shell. Is it bigger than when we put it in there?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, because through osmosis, it took the vinegar inside. That made the egg get bigger. You want to see if it will bounce? Okay, let's start out real low. You can pick up your egg. I'm gonna have you hold it. What does it feel like? Oh, it already popped.
Okay, it looks like a water balloon. Out for 48 hours, and you have to dump out the vinegar.
And it's taking what? What's all off of there now?
The eggshell.
Yeah, the eggshell's all gone.
You help me.
You can do it. Just dump right there. Just dump slowly. And you should be able to get your egg.
Hopefully it's like a water balloon. I'm going to need your help. Again.
Here you go.
Now what?
Pick it up. What does it feel like?
Water balloon.
Does it feel different from when we did it for 24 hours?
Yeah.
Does it feel like a ball?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Can you roll it around? Do you see the yolk?
What yolk is?
Yeah, the yellow part inside the... Whoa! And the water balloon popped.
Again.
Again.